In illustration number 3, these are the amounts given in illustration number 3 in our balance sheet. That is, fixed asset amount is given, then non-current investment is given, current asset is missing, total assets are given, then shareholders fund is given in the question, then non-current liabilities also given in the question. Current liabilities are missing, total liabilities are also missing. But we are asked to find out the current ratio. And we all know that the formula for current ratio is current assets divided by current liability. That is a ratio. Formula for the ratio is current assets divided by current liability. But both these items are missing. So when we substitute these amounts, we should get the missing figures from this balance sheet. That is, first we can take the asset side of balance sheet. That is, fixed asset is given as 1,60,000 and non-current investment is also given, that is 1 lakh. Total asset is given as 3 lakh rupees. Okay. So when we add fixed asset and non-current investment, and when we reduce that amount from total asset, we should get the amount of current asset. Okay. So here total assets minus fixed and non-current investment, we will get the current asset amount. So here the total asset is written as 3 lakh rupees and fixed asset 1,60,000 and non-current investment 1 lakh. So total of that is 2,60,000. When we reduce 2,60,000 from 3 lakh, our current asset amount should be 40,000 rupees. So I think it is clear for you 40,000 how we are getting. Okay. Then what we want to do is that when we want to go to the liability side, and in the liability side, shareholders fund and non-current liabilities are given in the question, but current liabilities and total liabilities are missing. So we should know that as per the accounting equation, if total asset is equal to 3 lakh rupees, then total liabilities also should be 3 lakh. Okay. So that is a main accounting equation what we have studied, that is total asset is equal to total liability. So here we can write 3 lakh rupees as total liabilities. So 3 lakh we are getting here as total liabilities. Then what we want to do? We want to find the difference of these two items, that is shareholders fund we have to add along with non-current liabilities, and that total we can reduce from 3 lakh. So 2 lakh plus 80,000, 2 lakh 80,000, that is to be reduced from 3 lakh rupees. Then the balance figure is 20,000. So current liabilities we are getting here as 20,000 rupees. So in this way we want to find out the value of current asset and value of current liabilities. Then we can apply the formula current assets divided by current liability, that is 40,000 divided by 20,000, and the ratio will be 4 by 2. When we simplify that, we can make it as 2:1. Okay. So in this way we want to find out the value of current assets and current liability, such if the amounts are not directly given in the question. Okay. This balance sheet is very important, that is to be kept in mind. It is not there in your textbook, but this balance sheet format is required while we are learning the profitability ratios also. Okay. And how it is applicable in the profitability ratio I will tell you later. So just draw this balance sheet format in your notebook and do this illustration number 3 according to what I have told. First you have to draw the balance sheet, you have to substitute the amounts, and then complete that illustration number 3.